Hey everyone, Monkey Wrench Mike here. Today we're checking out the Super Cruiser electric bike. This is one of the latest bikes from Nakto. It's a company that's been around since 2016 creating products for consumers so they can enjoy the efficiency and the convenience of e-bikes at affordable prices. Now the Super Cruiser comes with either a 500 watt or 750 watt motor with 65 Newton meters of torque and a range of about 22 miles per charge. This battery will fully charge in about 4 hours. As with most electric bikes, there are 5 pedal assist levels to help you navigate any terrain and 6 gears thanks to Shimano. This is a sporty design made with a strong and durable steel frame. Tires are 26-inch fat tires that will adapt to any situation with ease, and the large LCD display shows everything you need to know about the electric bike. This includes speed, pedal assist level, distance, and an energy bar indicating battery life. There's also an electric front headlight and a rear reflector for those nighttime excursions. And as we always do, we'll be grading the Super Cruiser on fit. The quality of the parts and how well everything goes together during assembly form the style and appeal of the bike, and then function, how the bike performs and how it rides. First though, let's unbox the Super Cruiser and see how it all goes together. All right, well, unfortunately at that point, I just had to stop because the bike wasn't going together as the instructions said that it would go together. So I did contact the company. The guy sent me a link to a video and, well, we got her put together and she looks good. Unfortunately, because of the way that the bike was packed, there are some scratches right here on the fender, and one of these pedal stems kind of got in the way of the spokes right here and bent a couple of the spokes. Once again, the company responded. They sent me a whole new wheel, a front wheel, so I want to say thank you very much for that. But now that she's all put together, let's go ahead and start the grading process. First off, the seat is comfortable. I like pedal assist 5. So let's go up. There we go. And we're going to take her for a quick little spin. And I'll tell you how she feels and how she rides. And I gotta say, the bigger tires are nice. This bike, a good word for it would be torquey. Yeah, this bike will go. Okay. Hit it, mama. The suspension on the front wheel certainly helps. That is nice. And I have to say that I do like these little pads here for your palm. The palm pads, very, very nice. The brakes seem to work well, although when you hit this one, the front brake, the air suspension gives a little bit. That's a little unnerving. Okay, so if I were gonna ride this everywhere, I would probably use more of the back brake. It's a quiet motor. There's a little bit of sound coming from the front wheel, nothing major, but I like the size and the fact that they're 4-inch fat tires. That's very, very nice. Seating position is good. Like I said, the seat is very well padded. And this bike, it just wants to get up and go. All right, we might want to adjust the back brakes a little bit because you need a little more stopping power. Here, I'll use them both. It's just the front one. Can you hear that? Yeah, all right. The brakes are quiet though. I have ridden other bikes and you hit the brakes and they're kind of squeaky. This road is a very rough road, so the suspension is certainly helping a lot. This is nice. Should I race that guy on his motorcycle? All right, this is the hill where I test the torque. Some bikes will make this hill at almost 20 miles an hour. This one, I don't know. We're just going to see. It does seem to have a lot of torque, but we're in passenger mode 5. We are in the 6th gear. So we'll go. This is a steep hill too. It is rough, it is steep, it is perfect to test these bikes on. So I'm not pedaling now, and we are at 15, dropping to 14 miles per hour. Now, if I start pedaling a little bit, I'm still in 6th gear. Yeah, we're going 13, 13.2, 12. I could shift gears, but I don't. This is just to test the bike. And I guess I'm testing my leg muscles too. 12.8, 12.6. Using a little bit of energy, as you can see right there on the energy bar. And we're here at 13 miles per hour. Now that it levels out, we can pick up speed again. These things just put a smile on your face though. I mean, all electric bikes, every electric bike I've ridden have put a smile on my face. Some of them make it a little wider, a little more enthusiastic. Others, some bikes are a little scary. This one is comfortable. It is one of the more comfortable bikes I think that I have ridden. Let's kind of go down here. We'll go down and then change gears. Find the gear. There we go. So we're in 3rd, passenger assist 2. This would be a good way to get up that hill and not kill yourself if you don't want to work out. So let's try it again. We're going to take her for another little spin around the block. Hi. You get a lot of compliments riding these bikes. I guess riding any kind of a bike, doing any kind of athletic exercise these days is not usual. There comes a car. Yes, of course, I do wear my Nakto helmet all the time now. Please check them out. This thing is comfortable and it lights up, which is really, really cool. But about the bike, once again, $14.99 for the 750 watt motor. You can get the 500 watt motor for only $12.99. I would spend the extra $200 to get the more powerful motor. But I gotta tell you, the range, as you heard right off the top, it's not the greatest range. Your range is only 22 miles. Other bikes are up to 60, and even more bikes are up to 80 with pedal assist. Of course, you're being very conservative with the pedal assist when you're trying to get that kind of mileage out of one charge. But this one is 22. So this is a short distance bike. You can ride it without any pedal assist, and then it's just a regular bike. You know, these tires actually sound like tires. Some of the bikes that I've ridden, the tires seem to be more plastic than actual rubber, but this sounds like a car tire on the road, which is nice. Okay, we have reached the bottom of the hill. We're going to go up one more time. This is going to take more effort. There we go. We're going to adjust the camera just a hair, and we are off. Here we go. Energy bar's back up to full. Yeah, see how I'm passenger assist 2? I can get up to maybe 9, maybe 10 if I increase it. Pedal assist kicks in and it makes it so much easier. So this is 11, 11.8. There we go. I want to change gears. 4, 5. It's quick on those gear changes. That's nice. 12 miles an hour. So it's not the fastest bike up the hill. It is torquey though. I will say that. It is torquey. Woo! Check out those pretty flowers. They're gorgeous, baby. All right, now time to give her a grade. All right, time to give this bike a grade. The Cruiser was a lot of fun to ride. Let's begin with fit, how well everything fit together, because we did have some issues. We had the scratches here, we had the bent spokes because of shipping and the way that it was packed. I'm going to give the bike a B. Okay, we had to get the new directions from the marketing person, and he was very quick to send those out, but I think that the directions you get should match the directions for the bike in the box, all right? So we're gonna give that a B. As far as form, what the bike looks like, well, tell me what you think. I think it's a good looking bike. I mean, it's a hefty bike. It's a steel frame right here. I like the little swoosh back at the back of the fenders right there. I love the big tires and the fact that they have the cutouts. So you can see the orange in the wheel right there is a nice touch. That is gorgeous. I do like this kind of almost a diamond effect here with a little pop of gold right on the handlebars right here. This is nice. So let's give her an A for form. Yeah. Function, she's a lot of fun to ride. She is comfortable, she is smooth, the gears shift through very nicely. She wasn't the fastest bike coming up the hill. She didn't have a whole lot of speed, and she only has 22 miles of range. So we're going to give her a B when it comes to function. Overall grade though, not bad. We're going to give this bike a B+. All right, it is certainly worth a review. It is certainly worth a look. I like the fact that it has the air suspension, the super comfortable seat, the bigger tires, and once again, I love the cutouts in the wheel. It makes it look very sporty. So there you go. The Cruiser from Nakto, certainly something that you should consider. All right, folks, have a great day. Monkey Wrench Mike is going to sign off. We're going to go take this bike around the block again and put another smile on my face. Have a good day, everybody. Bye-bye.